Luna is a very adventurous cat, so it was no surprise to me that she would look for a new hideout. She likes running, jumping, and attacking random things like any other cat her age. I wouldn't consider her exactly evil, just a little naughty. While I was watching TV, I heard a weird noise. Luna's head was bumping under the couch, so I decided to see for myself. And unfortunately, Luna had made a huge hole inside my couch. She made a huge hole inside my couch. And the new hole was her new favorite place, but at what cost? The only way for me to get her out was to lure her with one of her favorite toys, as I'm doing that right now in the video. But since she loves this place so much, I decided to use a flashlight to see the hype for myself. Honestly, I already have no idea what she sees in this place.
No. Hi.
Damn. Not only did she make a hole, but she also destroyed the inside of the couch. I tried once again to get a better clip.
That's suspicious. That's weird. Hi, Luna.
I tried to put tape on the hole, but that didn't work either since she would just rip it off or make another hole. So the final solution was to sacrifice the legs of the couch. Poor couch will go down on Luna's kill count along with the Christmas tree Luna also destroyed, and my collectible plushie.
What is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has